Here I have Samsung Galaxy M53, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have watermark. So here you have to enable it, and here you can add your own custom text, your tag, your name, your full name, I don't know, maybe your title or something like that. So as you can see, like Samsung quad camera will be here all the time, but you can also add your own custom text, like something like that, yeah. And as you can see right now, every photo you take will be marked with the watermark like this, like Samsung quad camera, HardReset.Info. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.